I don't know how this made it in. I thought we cut this.
Yeah. Why is working with your wife the best decision you've ever made?
We're very different. She is water, I'm fire. She's like the spiritual hippie of red pandas, takes care of everyone. And I'm kind of like, I can be a lot. The thing is, you have to respect each other as professionals. There has never been once where we've had domestic at work, ever. But we're a normal couple. We fight all the time at home, all the goddamn time, but never once, because I worked for a family business once and the guy would tell off his wife and it was so uncomfortable. People don't come to work to see your domestics. If anything, they go to work so they can get away from their domestics. Say you have dinner with just your loved one, right? Your wife, your husband, whatever. You're running a bit late. I'll push it a little bit. Like, it's not, the stakes aren't that high. It's okay. She'll understand, right? It's not good. I'm not condoning it. But sometimes, we might do these things. But if your mother-in-law asks, the stakes are higher. Sometimes our loved ones, we treat them like, oh, they will kind of get it. You can't do that when you work with them. If she's my CFO asking me for something, hey, Moby, I need these expenses. And I hate doing expenses, right? But I need to treat her just like a CFO is asking me. To wrap up the question, I'd say, look, I think it works really well. We're better business partners and it's actually made our marriage a lot stronger as well.